When you buy Cryptosheet, you'll receive both Cryptosheet and Cryptosheet Lite. Which version you decide to use depends on how you want to track your cryptocurrency portfolio. Let's start by looking at Cryptosheet. Cryptosheet tracks your portfolio based on your transactions, which you input onto the transaction sheet within the file. You input your buys and sells so Cryptosheet knows just how much you own and what price you bought at. When you use one coin to buy another, using Bitcoin to buy Sia coin for example, Cryptosheet automatically adjusts the quantities of both coins in your portfolio to reflect the transaction. Besides just buys and sells, you can input coin deductions and coin deposits onto the transaction sheet also. You can use these transaction types anytime coins are deposited into or deducted from your portfolio for any reason. Coins earned from mining rewards or interest earned from staking coins in a wallet are two instances when you would use the deposit action here on the transaction sheet. Cryptosheet uses all of the transactions you've input onto the transaction sheet and assimilates that data back onto the portfolio sheet to show you all of your current positions and asset values. Now let's take a look at Cryptosheet Lite. Cryptosheet Lite tracks your portfolio differently. With Cryptosheet Lite, there is no transaction sheet in the file. In fact, you don't input your transactions at all. With Cryptosheet Lite, you simply manually enter the coins and quantities of each that you own right onto the portfolio sheet. Then, after you execute buys and sells, or deduct or deposit coins into or from your portfolio, you simply change the quantities of the coins that you own right on the portfolio sheet. Just like the regular version, Cryptosheet Lite then tells you the total value of each cryptocurrency that you own and the current value of your portfolio based on current price data downloaded to the spreadsheet. Both Cryptosheet and Cryptosheet Lite include a bank transfer sheet within the file. This allows you to accurately account for all of the money you've invested into the portfolio. Money invested, withdrawn, and even reinvested is input here, which allows for an accurate calculation of your overall gain or loss. Cryptosheet and Cryptosheet Lite also both include coin watch boxes to let you keep an eye on coins you're interested in but are not in your portfolio. Both also include a conversion calculator, which makes ease of the complex calculations required when converting one cryptocurrency to another, or when converting cryptocurrencies to or from your national currency. And that's the overview of Cryptosheet and Cryptosheet Lite.